At SlumberSource.com, we have perfected fast delivery and installation for home care and hospital beds. This is a brief video overview of what you can expect from the minute your order is processed at checkout. Production can run 3 to 5 business days, and once it emerges from the factory line, we'll ship directly to you. At that point, our delivery team will be reaching out to begin the process of scheduling your installation. We'll be in constant communication with you during this entire process. Depending on where you live, your order might deliver from the factory in as little as 3 to 5 business days. But here's where SlumberSource.com really shines. When your order arrives at your residence, our nationwide installation technicians will be standing by to complete your setup. Now keep in mind the other guys will ship to a fulfillment warehouse where your order might sit for weeks as they sort out how to deliver and install for you. So let's recap. Once you check out, expect your order to deliver and install at your residence in as little as 3 to 5 business days from the factory, which clearly makes SlumberSource.com the only option for home care and hospital beds when time-sensitive and specific dates are critical for you and your loved ones.